What do you think?
I think they're going to be big and heavy.
Big and heavy.
Yes.
All right. That's Tim, our warehouse manager, and look what we have. Oh my goodness. FR30s just showed up. These are the beta models. Wow. I mean, look at these suckers. Huge. Sorry, I don't mean to make you dizzy here. This is a long time coming. There is one pair right there of FR30s. Oh boy. Well, we're gonna have an unboxing party. What do you think, Jim?
Speakers are in the house.
Speakers are in the house. Look at this.
So each pallet is a pair.
Yeah, bigger. Wow.
Like 600
Oh
pounds.
boy.
Wow. How big?
They're big. They're huge. Oh my goodness.